Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is what. What? What? Let's look at our picture. Our friend has their hands out like this, and it looks like they want to ask a question. I'm feeling hungry. What should I eat? A banana or an apple? Hmm. What did I choose? I chose the apple. I want to play. What should I play with? Play-Doh or a marker? What should I play with? Look at what I chose. I chose the Play-Doh. The word of the week is what. What? All right, everybody, I hope that you have a great week. Make sure you check out our PDF for the word what so that you can work different activities into your week to work on the word what. Bye, guys.